Why, yes, I do enjoy taking long walks on the beach. Uh-huh. I enjoy strolls outside as well. Oh, yes, dinner and the movies. I've always loved those romantic times. Oh, yes. Well, thank you. Bye-bye. Goodbye. Thank you. It's so relaxing in my house, rolling on my rock. It's so nice. What?
Oh, is anyone in here?
Hey, wait. What? Why did you come in my house?
Nothing, but, while I was, walking by, instantly, I couldn't help overhear your, conversation.
Let's take this outside.
Take us outside, okay.
Now, what do you want?
I'm wondering, who are you talking with?
I was taking a survey.
That's some pretty personal questions. I mean, more like questions did. If it didn't find me, I would ask.
What? Are you saying that I'm being stalked by the impetus fart man?
Yes, we're onto him. We're getting close. He's hunting us. He's after us.
I think you're a little bit paranoid.
Well, no